Yes, let me talk about reproduction in Amoeba protus. You know, guys, I told you that Amoeba protus is a unicellular microscopic animal, a protozoan that lives in muddy waters of, pond, ditches, slow running waters of stream. Yes, it is a colorless microscopic animal. I said you cannot see it with your naked eyes. It is colorless. It has no shape. This animal has no shape. The body continues to change its shape as it moves. This organism continues to change its shape as it moves. Yes. That is why the layman will always say Amoeba protus is shapeless. You know what I mean? So it has no definite shape. It continues to change its shape as it moves. Now, I would like to talk about reproduction in this species. Amoeba reproduces asexually by a process called binary fission. Binary fission. There is no sexual reproduction in amoeba. In binary fission, do you know what happens? First, the nucleus of the mature amoeba cell divides into two, followed by the division of the cytoplasm into two. Do you know what happens next? The entire organism divides into two. From one amoeba cell now, we have two amoeba cells, or you call it two amoebae. What did I say? First, the nucleus divides into two, followed by the division of the cytoplasm into two. The entire cell now divides into two. From that one mature cell now, you have two amoeba cells. These cells now are young cells. Remember, they live in the pond. They start feeding and begin to grow, gradually growing to become mature. So you can now see that from one amoeba cell, we have two amoeba cells, or say two amoebae. Exactly. Now these two continue to feed in the pond to grow, become mature, and then when it is time for binary fission, this one divides into two, that other one divides into two. So from the two mature amoeba cells in the pond now, you have four amoeba cells, which are young. In this way, multiplication continues to take place in the pond where this organism lives. Thank you very much for listening.